I'm excited, and I'll tell you why I'm excited. Because I have here the fastest keyboard I've ever reviewed on the channel. It's a custom keyboard from QwertyKeys X ATK. I think it has an opening sale of $209. It's got the craziest stats, literally the best stats of any keyboard I reviewed on the channel. So see if it's scam or sick. Let's get it open. Dude, this box looks so freaking sick. You got a good angle of that. That's freaking badass. It's so heavy. Dang, dude, look at that. QwertyKeys X ATK Gear with a little pixel heart. All right, let's get the plastic off. Up, down, left, right. That's like the end of the GTA cheat code for unlimited ammo in San Andreas. Let's get it open. Oh, it's got like a whole carrying case and everything. What? What? Freaking better for $250, that's all I'm saying. I'm just kidding. That's sick. I've never seen that. No keyboard I've ever gotten has come in a case like this. Okay. Sneak peek. Just kidding. What do we got in here? Trolled ya. We have a switch. Very nice. Type A to Type C. It's braided, gray. It's got orange accents on it, nice and like thick handle on it, so you can plug it in easy. Yeah, that's long enough. If it's as long as my wingspan, I'll take it. That's good length. Anything shorter than that, you're scammers. You're scamming. What have we got here? Ooh, what the fuck? Yo, that's super helpful. That's so cool. And then you can just flip it down when you want to put it away. Pretty cool. Little keycap switch puller. That's a nice little detail. I got 3 more, so a total of 4 switches. In case any of them fail on you. They have another keycap and switch puller, just a little manual one, not quite as fancy. Okay, here we go. Boom, look at that. Oh, it's so cute, it's all strapped in. It reminds me of my little Nintendo Switch case. I got one like this, sort of. Time to unstrap her from her car seat. Wake up, Hex80. It's time to show off. Time to show everyone what you're worth, man. Look at that. That's freaking sick, dude. Holy crap. Whoa, that's so cool. They are not messing around with this plastic. They said before removing the protective film, carefully inspect the keyboard for cosmetic defects. So basically, if there's anything wrong with the keyboard, let them know before you take the plastic off. That was, hopefully didn't just damage all the keys. Maybe don't put it on there so tight. Dang, bro, relax. It's not that serious. Wow, this thing is extremely heavy. Very solid, Hex80, 80%. We got the little pixel keycaps. Very satisfying. 0.08 millisecond latency is freaking wild. I like the purple. The purple's like super aggressive. I like the purple. The back looks pretty sick. I love the color scheme. I'm gonna pull the peel the sticker off. Boom, Hex80. ATK Gear. And then it's got no feet, just a set height. Got your rubber feet. Of course, always rubber feet. Oh my god, I almost hit myself. Bottom, nothing. Side, got your little profile, set angle there. Same on the other side. And then your Type C on the back. Sound test. It's an all CNC aluminum case. It's got 8,000 hertz polling rate, 0.08 millisecond latency, rapid trigger 0.005 millimeters, and 32K scan rate. Like I said, pretty sick. I mean, there's no mode switch or anything from what I can tell. Maybe there is, I don't know. Yeah, so these are the switches, Hall effect switches, super fast latency. Like I said, 0.008 millimeter latency, which is extremely fast. Lowest I've seen is 0.01, so 0.008, a little bit quicker than that. They're really pushing the limits of what Hall Effect can do. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in, take a look at the lighting, test it out in a game or two, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on it. I'll tell you how it feels, and if the stats really give you, an advantage in gaming, if it's worth buying, if it truly feels like a $250 keyboard, and I'll let you know. And I guess I'll see you on the battleground. Oh. So we have the software here. So we're going to go ahead, excuse my hair. So I'll leave a link for you here. It's hub.atk.store. You're going to pair with new device, Hex80, connect, and this is all online, no need for downloads. So you have your remap if you want to remap any of your keys. You have your lighting, so you can change different lighting modes. See that? Pretty nice. Changing your lighting, all the different modes. Crank that brightness. Okay, just per key RGB. Cool. We have performance settings. So we have the champion preset. This is maximum trigger sensitivity, maximum RT. They have 3 different presets here. You can hit do not use presets. We have travel. You can change your trigger point, rapid trigger travel, quickly reset your travel. You have your different switches. Select the switch type to replace. So if you want to replace your switch with a different kind, it's already got presets there for you. You can calibrate every switch here, and you have your different performance. You can swap WASD with the arrow, Windows lock on, anti-false trigger mode, AI match, Mac mode, 6-key rollover, and extreme mode. You have your advanced key settings for each key. You have your macro settings, M1 through M8, and then you have your upgrade, reset, and preview image, purple. There's the one. We got some firmware tools here, mouse pairing, and you can do different profiles here. And that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. Like I said, it's safe. It's online. So make a bookmark for it. Put it in your browser. Not bad at all. And that's the Hex80 software. Like I said, I'll leave a link for it in the description. Okay, bye. If I don't get a win, bro, please.
We'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
We'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong. What do you mean by that? What does that mean? Why don't you go ahead and step into my office? Wait, wall climb.
4, 3, 2, 1.
What? You can climb up walls as Jeff? Oh. I'm out of here, bro. How do I get back up? There we go. I got that movement, baby. I got the Jeff movement. Just learned that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, somebody's locking in. Who is that? Nah, chill. Nah. I literally walked right up to her doing that.
There's still a chance to stop them.
Ow! Mess with me, you get sent to the pit.
You got them. One touch of
I am Groot!
Are you mortals blind?
down to 30 seconds.
Armed and dangerous!
Almost there. Full support.
Final 10 seconds.
Yo! Who wants some help? Who wants some, bro?
Disappear. Keep fighting until we have a winner.
I thought it was the end. I thought it was the end.
Disappear.
I thought we were memeing. I saw the other guy do it, and I thought we were just memeing. I think we made it. I think we're good. Yes! Let's fucking go! Holy shit, this keyboard felt freaking awesome, man. Oh my goodness. Scoreboard though, 16, 4, 13, 5200 healing, 1900 damage to block, 71% most accurate on the entire battlefield. That's insane, bro. What can I say? QwertyKeys X ATK Hex80. This thing was so freaking awesome. I love playing with it. It felt really nice. I love the purple color. I love the different controls for the RGB, how there's a little button for it. Sometimes button combinations, you know. It's just nice having a little dedicated button there for it. You can turn the RGB off if you want to with this little guy. Turn it back on. I love the way the keys feel while gaming. It definitely felt like I had an advantage over most keyboards that I use. I mean, it felt like the fastest keyboard I've ever used, in my opinion. I just got kind of smoked in Marvel Rivals, so it was a little annoying. The way I was able to change direction extremely fast, and it just felt so responsive. Like, it was just, especially with a good quality cable, you know, felt real nice. And I just love the design of this thing. It's just one of a kind. So if you want to check it out, then do it. And then buy it. Smash like, subscribe, buy it. $250, buy it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.